Sharp eye shoots the untouchables.
Hello again everybody, welcome back to Sharp Eye Matthews. Now it's been a while since I've done a video, but since the last time I've managed to buy myself a second-hand BSA Ultra SE 25 caliber, which I've been after a long time now so I can use it on my rats. When I got the gun, it had a few issues with it. The silencer was clipping on the end, so when the pellet was coming out it was hitting the silencer. The shot count wasn't very high, it was getting 50 shots a charge, and the magazine that I had with it wasn't very good at all, so I had to have that fixed. So I took it to a friend of mine who's a gunsmith, and his name is James Phillips, and he goes under the name of The Gunworks, and he's done a brilliant job on it for me. He's fitted me a regulator, so I now get 75 consistent shots out of this little tube. He's fixed the magazine for me, which is now working a treat. And he's also fixed the silencer for me, which he was clipping on the end. So he's drilled the hole bigger so the pellet doesn't clip anymore. And he's done a full service on it for me. He's done an amazing job. The accuracy, 27 yards, we're putting pellet on pellet for the same hole, which for me is brilliant because I don't really shoot much further than that on the rats. So I've done a video on it the other night. I first used it on the rats, and when it hits like a brick. It doesn't over penetrate, which I find was happening on my 177 where the pellet was going straight through. Where this thing, when it hits, it stops. So you'll see the rats being bowled over with this thing. So I hope you liked the video, but before I go, if anybody ever needs any work done on their gun, whether it's just a service on an air rifle, shotguns or rifles, James Phillips is the man to see. He does excellent work. He's in Herefordshire, so he's pretty close to me. So check him out on Facebook. Like I said, goes under The Gunworks. I didn't manage to get that off him. Thank you, James. But hopefully I'll do some more videos soon, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, good shooting. See you on the next one.
Beauty.